Hey my berries, it's Heyyy Berries here, and as you can see, we are doing another 5-minute tip Tuesday. 5-minute tip Tuesday. I need a song for that. Like I need like a little theme. If you are new here, hey, I'm Heyyy Berries, and if you click on this video, you are a berry now. So you either commit right now or a little later, but let's do it quick because 2021 we committing. But no, as you saw from the title, we are going to do a natural edit on some pictures. I think there's one picture I'm gonna do, maybe two. I want to show you guys how I do my very simple editing. It don't look like you did a ton of editing. It don't like, girl, you did Photoshop that nose on. It's like, it looks really good. So here we go. We only need one app, and that's gonna be Facetune 2. Because the first one I think it costs. So we're gonna use the free one, okay? Alright, so we're gonna use this picture here. And this is just my picture right now. This, boom, this is it. So what I do is I zoom in first just to see my face. So this is my face before any editing. Boom. I'm gonna go to retouch. Then I'm gonna go to smooth. Okay? We're gonna do some slight smoothing. Our fingers are gonna just lightly graze our face. So it's gonna be like a swipe, 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 okay? It's nothing crazy. We just swiping the face gently. So you can see like by my jaw, I'm gonna swipe like a little above my nails. Swipe a little. You see how that kind of blurred out just a tad bit, just a little. Even between my eyes, blurred out a little. You see? A little. We just doing a little swipe like this. Swoop, swoop, just like that. We're not doing no heavy swipes, okay? What else? I feel like I'm doing a little above my mouth, on my lip. Swipe, swipe. What else I feel like I need a little smoothing? Oh, on my arm, I do a little swiping. Watch me swipe, swipe. See a little more smooth on the arm. Even like the chest area, I'm gonna do a little swiping in there. Real slight, boom. Next, I'm gonna go over and then I'm gonna do matte. I don't like a lot of shines. I'm gonna zoom in again, and by my eye, that little crease in my eye, I'm gonna just mattify that. Again, I'm swiping. I just mattify those creases in my eyes. Even when I have like jewelry on, usually for pictures that's not, that I have like makeup on and like jewelry, I like to use the glow effect. I like to like kind of tap my jewelry. I don't swipe on this. I just tap the jewelry just so it can be just like kind of like pizzazz, it's emphasized. But that is about it. I usually just use those two or those three. Smooth, mattify, and then glow. Conceal, I really don't conceal if it's like if I just woke up that morning and my bag's on 10, I may conceal, but with this one, since we are going for a more natural look, I won't conceal. Maybe with a more glam picture, I'll conceal, but with the natural, I want to get as natural as possible, even though we are editing, but I want to get like, you know, as natural as possible. But that is it for that. It's looking good. Let's do it. Doop, doop. See? Nice. This is what we start off with. This is what we edit to. Simple, simple, cute. Now we're gonna press the check mark, and now we're going to filters. Now look at this, watch this, watch this. We're gonna go all the way over to the category beach vibes. This is the main tip right here. This would get your picture popping. It gives me this saturated, beautiful feel I look for. It gives me this lifelike feel. So I go to the second from last one, and instead of 75, I kind of push it down to in the 50s. So I'm gonna do, no, actually I'm gonna go in the 40s. Like look, I'm just gonna go to 40. Boom. And you see that? You see that comparison? You see how it gave me life? It gave me color. It gave me everything I needed. I feel like it's a little more filtered than I usually do, but it's cute. It's cute and it still looks natural. And that is it. What? Yes, that is, I'm gonna use two categories in there, and I'm gonna use about 4 or 5, maybe 6 different features, and that is it. I feel like I went a little OC because I am explaining it, but I think this is pretty much how I would, you know, do it. But if I feel like I need a little more natural, obviously I won't do as much smoothing, but this is pretty natural, and I like the small adjustments that it has. Like, I don't look totally different, but baby, I'm smoothed out. It's alright to smooth out yourself a little more. There's some natural pictures out there that is edited even more than this, honey. Some light and some editing can do wonders. That is about it. Is there something else I like to say? No, because I don't use nothing else on here. And that's my 5-minute tip Tuesday. Thank y'all so much for watching my 5-minute tip Tuesday. If you made it to the end of this tip, you are the truest berry of the bunch. Thank you again for watching. And I will see me in my next video.